everybody, my name is Adipakil and today we are going to discuss about electricity. In my video about matter, I told you about the three fundamental particles of an atom. Electron, the negative charge, proton, the positive charge, and neutron, the neutral. All matter wants to remain neutral. That is why they have equal amount of positive and negative charge in it. But at times, atoms exchange electrons, because of which the donor atom is positively charged and the receiving atom is negatively charged. Such atoms are called ions. The flow of electrons between atoms is called an electric current. Did you notice the similarity? Electron, electric, electricity. The electric current flows in the opposite direction of the flow of electron. During the rainy season, we all have seen the lightnings. But do you know what it is really made of? During the storms, collision of rain, ice and snow creates an imbalance of charge wherein the clouds become negatively charged and earth or trees become positively charged. To correct this imbalance, a stream of electrons flow towards earth, creating energy which we see as lightning. Do you know that when a lightning strikes a tree, it heats up the water and moisture inside the tree, causing sudden gush of steam which rips apart the tree. So it is not the lightning that explodes the tree, it is its own steam. There are some elements which have a high number of free electrons, allowing the current to move freely. These are called conductors, whereas the elements not allowing much movement of electrons are called insulators. For example, metals such as iron, copper and zinc are conductors, and non-metals or halogens such as chlorine, iodine and bromine are insulators. Now this brings us to today's chief guest, Mr. Circuit. No, not this one. Actually, this one. Everything around us powered by electricity requires a circuit, which needs to be completed in order to allow the device to work. Let's deconstruct this torch to understand this better. This torch is actually a plastic casing for these 3A size cells, one bulb, a small electronic board, and a system to allow the complete circulation of electric current. These items are arranged in this order in the torch, and when we switch it on, we actually complete the circuit, allowing the bulb to glow. Now, this is a typical switch. Look what happens when we switch it on. The circuit is completed. Now we know that the wires and plates are made up of conductor elements, and the torch casing and switch are made up of insulator elements. But what is going on in the bulb? Why does it glow when electricity passes through it? We'll discuss this some other day. Till then, I encourage you to study more about electricity. In case you want to deconstruct an electrical device, please do it under an adult supervision. You may also consider buying such educational kits, allowing you to experiment in a safe manner. If you do buy these kits, please consider buying them through my Amazon affiliate marketing link below. It will help me to get a small reward from the sellers, which to make more such videos. See you soon.